Let's say you woke up tomorrow and had to find a way to actually make some money online. You'd most likely try to use some of the most advanced tools we have to our capability. If you woke up tomorrow without a job and you had to find a reliable and proven way to make money online, well, there's a good chance you would use AI to really expedite the entire process. I've been using AI for the past few years, and I found a lot of great proven ways to actually make money using it. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 actual ways you can use AI. Whether you're a beginner or a little bit more intermediate or even advanced, there's going to be 5 great ideas for everyone in here, and it's all stuff that you can start today. You don't need any sort of startup capital to actually do it, and you can get your first client within a few days. So let's go ahead and dig right in. Now, if this is your first time seeing me and you want to learn more about how to earn from anywhere, then hit the subscribe button for new videos I'm putting out every single week. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Do you know one of the biggest issues that most YouTubers have is basically somebody who opens their video, they bounce, and the number one reason that most people leave these videos, it isn't due to bad video, it isn't due to the bad script, it's due to bad quality in audio. And luckily with AI technology, you can work with YouTubers, podcasters, and other people who are creating content to really improve their audio. And the better the audio, the more clicks and retention that these people are going to get. And in turn, they're going to earn more money through this. More money for them is more money for you. So how do you actually do this? Now, one of the best tools that I found is a tool called Adobe Podcast. It's an AI audio enhancement tool that's essentially free to use, or you can get unlimited use with their paid version. My video editing team puts every single video and every single piece of content I use through Adobe Podcast. It really is one of the easiest software out there to use, and you can learn how to do it within a few hours. All you do is upload the audio and then select and pick the levels that you want to improve upon. It uses AI technology to remove background noise and then enhance the person's audio. I've been absolutely blown away with how good this is, and I've tried a bunch of other software that do similar things. There's a few other software out there that give you a little bit more advanced settings, but for beginners, you can really make this into an actual business where maybe you're selling audio improvement for $100 or $200 per video or per podcast. Now, you can use ChatGPT to come up with a list of people on YouTube who maybe don't have good audio or haven't really cracked the code yet. What I would suggest doing is going and sending them a free sample. Hey, here's your audio before and here's your audio after. All I want to do is I'll send you this free sample, and then after that, what you can do is just say, hey, can we get on a quick call? I want to try doing this service for you. I'll do one video for free, and then after that, we can set up a call and see how it works out. And so what I suggest doing is leading with a free value and then trying to upsell them into a more catered package. If they're putting out 4 or 5 videos a month, that's $500 in recurring income, and it really doesn't take you that much time. So this is a really good gap in the market because people are on Fiverr selling it, but if you're able to just go directly to creators, you can likely build some really good relationships and then get in early and start providing a lot of value. You might not be able to charge $100 off the bat, but I would say between $50 to $100 is a good starting point. One of the most valuable commodities in the world right now, it isn't oil, it isn't gas, but it's actually data. Data has been sold at one of the highest price points, and that's why it's so valuable. But there's a lot of companies and a lot of small businesses that they don't know how to use their data to make good results-based decision making, and they're losing money because of this. They basically want to know which products are performing well, and then which people in their list do they need to isolate to actually sell to and convert into customers. There's so many data points from the top of funnel to the middle of funnel to the bottom of funnel that companies really don't understand. So if you're good at understanding finances, traffic, conversion data, you can either build reports for these companies so they can actually make decisions off it, or the next step up is to help them actually understand the data, make decisions on the data, and then if you really want to make some good money, you can help them implement these decisions. Now, again, you're not going to start off understanding exactly how all of this works, and so that's why I suggest just come up with one data report that you can look at. And for YouTubers or online business owners, it could likely just be landing page conversions. How many people are visiting one of their most popular pages and how many of them are converting to the next steps? You can use tools like Hotjar to actually install a script that will monitor the heat mapping, the conversion tracking, and it can really understand understand what is the issue and what can be fixed. Data is one of these reports that is going to be so important for companies. You can also just set up spreadsheets, use Airtable, or create custom reports on other software, and then use AI to actually look at the data and give you some insights on how they can improve things. If you guys like that part, you're gonna love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription. One of the biggest issues with any CRM or any small business is the data set cleanup. Basically, everything gets so messy. There's duplicate values, there's multiple customers, and essentially what you can utilize is you can go to these companies and say, hey, we want to clean up any data and make sure that it's accurate and that there's no duplicates on there. Now, some CRMs have tools to do this, but basically what you can go and figure out is like, hey, we see this with a lot of commonalities on this CRM where it's creating duplicates and it's matching all these different deals around. And what you can do is you can basically take this repetitive work, plug it into AI, and have AI actually clean things up for you. And you can basically charge anywhere up to $2,000 to $6,000 per large corporate data sets. It's not super glamorous, it's not flashy, but it's a pretty reliable way to make some income using AI. One of the most valuable things for companies is to try to save them time. Whenever you're trying to come up with a business idea, there's a lot of ways to think about this. Do you either save people money, make them more money, or do you save them time? And in this scenario, what you need to look at is what are some commonalities between businesses where you can help save them time, and how can you use AI to expedite the whole process? One of the things that I think is a great idea for people to actually make money is to do research using AI to actually come up with some really good ideas for their business. This can be coming up with scripts for YouTubers or doing research on ideas. It can also be doing competitor outreach to see, okay, your competitors in this niche are doing really well with these 2 or 3 products, but I see that you don't have a product in this area. So you can find those product market keyword gaps that competitors are doing well with, but maybe a business doesn't realize that they're missing out on this. You can basically sell this data and do other assisted research for them to find out what are those things that they're missing that they could just basically create and make a bunch of money doing this. So you don't need a ton of skills to do this. You need some time, understanding of research, and certain tools to do this. Ahrefs and other SEO software has a really good keyword analyzer tool where you can plug in a bunch of competitors and figure out, hey, they're ranking for these keywords, but you're not even trying to bid on that. You're not creating content. You don't have blog posts around this topic. It's doing really well for your competitor. I think it'll do really well for you, and we can help create that. So you can offer the analysis, but you can also offer, hey, we'll build these blog posts, we'll help script these videos, so that way you can make these topics that your audience is actively looking for. The most valuable thing that every company and every entrepreneur needs is they need more leads, but more leads that are actually qualified and curated. Again, this is how you can use AI to really help scale and grow any business. And you can make an offer that's too good to say no to. Basically, what you can do is you can find a product, a market, a niche, and then you can use AI tools to actually figure out who their avatar is, reach out to those people on LinkedIn, social media, email, and then the next step is to actually qualify them and then pass them over. This is basically a lead generation business, but you can structure it as an agency that's powered by AI. Essentially, if you can go to a company and say, hey, we're going to get you more qualified leads on your calendar, then those leads are likely going to turn into customers, and you can charge them a monthly retainer or commission of all those leads that actually convert. This is probably one of the biggest opportunities for people to use AI to actually figure out and help companies. It's one of those things where most companies might be a little bit hesitant to pay $5,000, $10,000 for lead generation. But if you offer a few of the services for free and then they get good results from those leads, then you can really sign them up for a plan or package to continue delivering those leads every month. And the big key here is in the curation. Maybe a company only talks to people making $75,000. They live in New York and they are currently employed in a certain industry or niche. niche, they will pay you a lot more if you're able to curate those exact leads for them, because they know time and time again that's their core audience and customer base, and they're going to convert at a lot higher rate. So you can sometimes charge $100, $200 per lead that's actually curated and meets all of these tests. There's a lot of ways to structure this, but you can use AI tools like Dripify or Walaxy to reach out to people on LinkedIn, have them fill out a quiz or survey, and then sell those leads to companies. And so if you enjoyed this video and you want to see some other ways to utilize AI tools, I'll leave another video up here, and make sure to hit subscribe for the new videos I'm putting out every single week.